Welcome to This Week in Work Truck News from Truck Chat. I'm Lauren Fletcher, Executive Editor of Work Truck Magazine, and here are just a few highlights from October 16th through 22nd, 2021. But before I get started, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss an episode. Starting with truck news, Ford announced that the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick hybrid pickup has achieved an EPA-estimated rating of 42 miles per gallon city. The 2.5-liter hybrid has an EPA-estimated rating of 37 miles per gallon combined, 33 miles per gallon highway, and an EPA-estimated range of more than 500 miles on a single tank of gas. Due to high demand, all Maverick hybrid production for the 2022 model year is expected to be fully reserved by early November. Maverick hybrid is expected to start shipping in December, with the first customer deliveries expected in January 2022 so that required state and federal emission certification can be completed. The Ram 2021 1500 TRX won the Texas Truck of the Year award at the Texas Motor Press Association Texas Off-Road Invitational event. The Ram 1500 TRX is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine. The half-ton pickup truck is rated at 702 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, and delivers 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The Ram 1500 TRX also received the High Performance Truck of the Year award, and the 2021 Jeep Gladiator won the Off-Road Truck of the Year. Global transport company SEA Electric took a big step forward in the U.S. with confirmation of an order for more than 1,000 SEA Hino M5 EVs, the single largest order in the company's history. Set to be delivered to GATR EV, the zero-emission trucks will feature the patented SEA Drive power system. The SEA Electric offering of pure electric systems is adaptable to most OEM glider chassis platforms, from the medium-duty Class 3 to heavy-duty Class 8. For SEA Electric, the milestone is the company's first 4-digit order. Zeus Electric Chassis and EAVX have announced they will join forces to develop and commercialize all-electric vocational work truck solutions. Joint development efforts will focus on the integration of the J.B. Poindexter & Co. commercial truck bodies, utility truck bodies, and vehicle cargo management systems with the Zeus Power platform, an all-electric cab chassis. Zeus will leverage J.B. Poindexter & Co.'s North American operational footprint to help establish a nationwide service and support network for the Zeus products. The non-exclusive collaboration agreement will initially focus on the Class 5 Zeus Z19, Class 6 Z22, and will soon expand to the heavy-duty Z26 model. On a much more serious note, did you know that every 11 minutes someone in the U.S. dies by suicide? In 2016, the Centers for Disease Control studied the correlation between suicide and occupation for the first time and found that workers in construction and extraction had the highest suicide rates of any occupation. The suicide rate among construction workers is more than 3 times the national average at 49.4 deaths per 100,000 workers. That works out to an estimated 5,242 construction industry suicides every year, which is more than 5 times the number of construction industry work fatalities. Also consider that for every person that dies by suicide, there are another 25 suicide attempts. Suicides in working-age adults across all industries are up 40% over the past 2 decades, but armed with new awareness and training tools, the construction industry has a tremendous opportunity to build a network that can help save the lives of thousands of friends, family members, and coworkers. Registration and housing are now open for the Work Truck Week 2022, North America's largest work truck event, which is returning to the Indiana Convention Center in Indianapolis. Work Truck Week includes work truck show exhibits, education and training opportunities, Green Truck Summit, a ride and drive, and multiple networking activities. Green Truck Summit is March 8th, and educational sessions run March 8th through 10th. The exhibit hall is open March 9th through 11th. A detailed event schedule, registration, and hotel information are now available. On the fuel side, national average diesel fuel prices were $3.67 per gallon as of October 18th, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration. All regions experienced month-over-month and year-over-year price increases. This week shows an increase of 9 cents from the week prior and an increase of $1.28 year-over-year. And that's just a few of the highlights from this week's Work Truck News. If you want more, head on over to Work Truck Online for the latest and greatest news, videos, stories, features, and more. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletters, YouTube channel, and podcasts on Spotify and Google so you never miss a thing.